As you know, it's all about location. And here we are on beautiful tree-lined West 69th Street on the corner of Central Park West and just a quarter block from one of the beautiful garden entrances into Central Park itself. With close proximity to Lincoln Center and Columbus Circle, here we have this beautiful 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment with spectacular views over the townhouses and brownstones from the 8th floor, which means that you have sunlight and light all day long. Also, this apartment has beautiful hardwood floors, 9-foot beamed ceilings, stainless steel appliances, and a wine chiller. But what I like best about this home is the flexible floor plan. Yes, it's a 2-bedroom, but imagine it as an extraordinary 1-bedroom with an expansive library or home office for you to work from home. This place is special, and I want to show it to you. In the meantime, welcome home.